For demonstration, here we have 17 stitches on my needle, 15 stitches, multiple of 3, 5 times 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 15, and plus 2 edge stitch is 17. Here I purl 2 base, here I make this pattern after cast on. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side, first row right side. Knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is complete now, second row wrong side, slip edge, and again knit these all stitches. Yarn in front, purl edge from wrong side. Third row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Make 3 from 3 stitches from back loop. Take 3 stitches on your right needle from back loop and make 3 from 3 stitches. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3. That's our repeat. Here we make 3 stitches from 3 stitches. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have till the end of row? So make 3 from 3 stitches from back loop. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3. Again make 3 from 3 stitches. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3. Make 3 from 3 stitches. Take 3 stitches together from back loop. One, yarn over 2, knit again 3. One more time, make 3 from 3 stitches. 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3. Here we complete 5 times repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete now, fourth row wrong side. Slip edge, starting of this pattern, purl 1. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 1. Now first we purl second stitch and then we purl first stitch. First we purl second stitch and then we purl first stitch. That's our repeat, purl 1, first we purl second stitch and then we purl first stitch. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have. So purl 1, first we purl second stitch and then we purl first stitch. Purl 1, first we purl second stitch, then we purl first stitch. One more time, purl 1, first we purl second stitch and then we purl first stitch. Here we complete 4 times repeat pattern, last 3 purl 2, 1, 2, purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row right side, knit these all stitches till the end of row. knit edge from right side. Again we start this pattern from first row. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. In this way we repeat these 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater, gents half sweater, full sweater. So friend, if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.